morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, April 30th. The euro rose 1.31% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1117. Data showed that the preliminary consumer price index in Germany recorded a rise of 0.40% in April on an annual basis, in line with market expectations. The greenback lost ground after the US economic growth pace slowed down more than expected during the first quarter of 2015. Data released yesterday indicated that the flash annualized GDP in the US recorded a rise of 0.20% on a quarterly basis in the first quarter 2015, less than market expectations for an advance of 1.00%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0986, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0858. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1216, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1318. Trading trends in the year today are expected to be determined by Germany's crucial unemployment rate coupled with the Eurozone CPI data scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, initial jobless claims data from the US, scheduled later today, would be closely monitored by investors. The British pound rose 0.60% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5428. Overnight data showed that Britain's GfK consumer confidence remained steady at a level of 4 in April, in line with market forecasts. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5340, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5251. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5508, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5588. With no major macroeconomic releases in the UK today, the nation's market manufacturing PMI and mortgage approvals data, scheduled tomorrow, will attract market attention. The US dollar strengthened 0.17% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.03. In economic news, the Bank of Japan's policymakers at its latest monetary policy meeting voted unanimously to keep its key interest rate unchanged at 0.1% and maintain its asset purchases program, citing a continued moderate recovery trend in the nation's economy. Overnight data showed that preliminary industry production figure in Japan slid 0.3% on a monthly basis in March, lower than market expectations of a fall of 2.3%. The pair is expected to find support at 118.48, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 118.16. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.25, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 119.69. Going forward, investors keenly await Japan's national CPI and unemployment rate data, scheduled overnight for further cues. The Australian dollar weakened 0.18% against the US dollar to close at 0.7999. Early morning data showed that private sector credit in Australia climbed 0.50% MOM in March, in line with market expectations. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7956, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7915. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8059, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8120. Gold prices traded lower by 0.62% against the US dollar at 1203.80 per ounce. Losses in gold prices were kept in check after the US registered worse than expected annualized GDP figure in the first quarter 2015. Additionally, gold prices also found support after the Fed at its FOMC meeting indicated that widely expected interest rate hike would not happen in June. The pair is expected to find support at 1198.43, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1193.16. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1211.23, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1218.76. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. As an IB, you will not only be maximizing your growth potential, but you will also enhance your client network. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.